Good morning, my name's Harry. I'm an instructor from Roadrunner Training based in Coventry, and what we're going to be looking at today through the video is the signalling operations of a Banksman. Now, before we carry out any signalling, it's very important that obviously the person who's going to act as a Banksman has had the relevant training and they do understand clearly what the signs are to be used. Also very important actually is to make sure that individuals wearing the correct PPE. As you can see, I'm wearing various items of PPE at the moment. Now this will vary from organisation to organisation, but as a minimum you're probably looking at obviously hard hat, a set of gloves and some form of high visibility clothing. As you can see, I've just kept a standard vest on, or you may choose to wear a full length coat as well. Naturally also I've got my safety boots on as well to protect my toes, and in some organisations you may even require full what we call bottoms as well for high visibility. And what we're going to be doing, as I say, in terms of the operation which we're going to show you today, it's also very important that you actually do cooperate with the driver beforehand, and you make sure you establish you both understand the signals that are going to be used for the operation. Now, one of the first signals that you would start off with is obviously wants to indicate that you're ready to start commencement, and to do this keep your arms out horizontally facing forwards with the palms showing like so to indicate that you're ready now to commence. Okay, to show the stopping of the movement, okay, or to bring the movement to a complete stop, you raise your right arm above your head with the palm facing forwards to indicate to the driver. If you want to then indicate to the driver to stop all operations or sees what he's doing, then what you do is grab your hands, firmly clasp them together at chest height, and that will indicate to the driver to stop operations. Okay. If you want to indicate to the driver in terms of moving the vehicle towards the right, keep your right arm horizontal with the palm facing downwards and bending at the elbow. Just do the following motion. Okay, and then obviously if you want the vehicle to go towards the left, same thing applies, keeping your left arm horizontal and with the palm facing downwards, and again just bending at the elbow, the following sign should be delivered. Okay, to indicate to the driver what we call a horizontal movement in terms of space, all you do is grab your hands together about chest height and slowly then just bring your hands together to indicate the correct distance to the driver. If you're going to then indicate vertical distance to the driver, again similar process, standing sideways, keeping your left arm facing upwards and your right palm facing downwards, just drawing the two hands together to then indicate the relevant distance. To indicate to the driver to conduct what we call the emergency stop because of either a dangerous event about to occur, again both hands raised above the head with the palms facing forward direction. Okay. I hope these signs have been of some help to yourselves for the Banksman operation, but again please make sure you do receive adequate training, you wear the correct PPE, and again you do obviously talk to the driver beforehand to establish what signs are going to be used. Thank you very much.